Hey guys, and welcome back to VolatilityTV here. I just wanted to do a quick video here showing you guys my profits for today. Today is August 6th, 2020, and as you can see right here, my profits is $80.18. Absolutely amazing. Alright, now let's get into it. Okay, and usually I trade Amazon, which is the ticker symbol AMZN, and as you can see here in the morning time when the market opened, we had this huge sell-off. Pretty much everything in the market was oversold as it is. I'll show you in a little bit is /NQ, which is the overall market. We can see that it pretty much recovered, and while that was going on, Amazon was also following. So I took a couple trades here and there, which means I shorted a sold. So I sold first and then I bought it back, which means I shorted it. And then after it started becoming oversold, I waited for it to recover and then I got in and then I get out. It was just pretty much an amazing day today. However, after I made my profits pretty much coming closer to $100, that's what I usually aim for. It's not that I have to hit it, it's just that sometimes if I get closer to it and if I go above it, that's fine. And what pretty much happened is that if we take a look right here, it broke through the resistance that we had. Later on in the day, I was already out and we had this huge gap up, broke through this resistance right here, and then it had pretty much a $40 run up. If I was at home at the time, I would have definitely been able to capitalize off of that. However, I pretty much, this would have been around 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock or so. After that time, you can see the volume starts to die out. And again, like I keep saying, you have to pay attention to the volume. You can see the volume right here. It's pretty much low. Coming up to later time, you can see this volume spike right here, showing you that we have a lot of buying pressure. And once it breaks through this resistance line right here, it's time to get in and make some profits. So overall, an amazing day today. It's just, you just got to keep it consistent, keep the profits going. Once you set yourself a certain strategy that actually works for you, then you have something going for yourself. If we take a look here at let me just turn this off real quick. Okay, so if we take a look here at /NQ, which is the overall market, we can see that this morning, let's just switch it to the 180-day 4-hour. We can see that we were pretty much in this channel right here. So we had this clear support and this clear resistance line right here. So today, what ended up happening was we had a huge sell-off. So right here in the morning, so this is August 6th right here, huge sell-off, coming lows, and then it just pretty much recovered and broke through. So we break through this resistance level right here, and then everything just started recovering. So if you take a look at all of the markets for today, you can see that Apple made all-time highs. You can see Amazon, went into the green from red this morning. We can see Tesla, all of them. So if you take a look at it, you can see that you would make a lot of money today if you were trading today. So which is amazing, if you pay attention to the markets as a whole. But yeah, so that's pretty much my my video for today. I just wanted to show you that consistency does help. You can see right here, we're also in the same channel. Once this breaks through this resistance level right here, we can see Amazon going for all-time highs, same as the overall market. So yeah, have you guys traded today? Let me know in the comment section down below. How are you guys doing? I'm just trying to keep it consistent and just showing you that once you're patient with your trades, you can actually make some profits on a daily basis. So yeah, just make sure you have a strategy that actually works for you. You don't want to end up losing money because you're emotional to this whole trading thing. So putting a lot of work, practice as much as you can, and one day you'll actually see consistent profits. And again, it's all about the process, not the profit. Alright guys, and that's my video for today. If you like this video, make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, the notification button. Man, you know what to do, man. This is YouTube, man. You know what to do. Peace.